crumbs in your bra. That's no problem. I get crumbs in my cleavage all the time. I just reach in, throw the crumbs out, and the pigeons, they come, and they're very happy I give them free lunch. But listen to me from inside, because I know. Don't lean over and try to shake crumbs out. That's no good. You shake wrong way, then the crumbs, they fall down into your crotch. And then you have to do the crumbs and the crotch dance. Big women do not look good doing the crumbs and the crotch dance. But maybe the crumbs and the crotch dance is not a bad idea. That Paris Hilton, she have dancing crotch, and she get 2 rich Greek boys.